welcome back to a new video on our channel Read Travel Become. First of all, thank you so much for all the love and support that you have shown on my previous video, the New York vlog. I got a lot of messages saying best wishes for your new journey and best wishes for a new chapter in your life. I am humbled and I want to thank all of you who have supported me and my channel. So yeah, like I said before, I am in a new country now. I am in the United States, and like I had mentioned in my previous video that I am going to tell कि मैं कौन सी university में आया हूँ. So currently I am enrolled in Duke University for my master's programs. I'll be here for a couple of semesters. Definitely I'll make reading content, but you'll also get to see a lot of vlogs, a lot of travel vlogs. Talking about my journey, this week was pretty hectic. I had to do a lot of shuffling around, and I was actually late. I was pretty late compared to my peers, but hopefully now everything would be sorted very soon. I had my first day of college today and I made this video. Lots of exciting things happened. I could not capture the things that happened around the lecture. I could not vlog it because I was in a different state of mind. But other than that, whatever happened with my day, I tried to capture some of it to share with my YouTube family. So yeah, I hope you like this video, you like this vlog in which I have experienced a lot of events. So make sure you watch the video till the end. You may never know which thought or fact may resonate with you and change the course of your life. So let's get started. Having my lunch right now
instead of using
with David.
the that are the size of a tour bus.
Okay, so behind me there's actually a showcase going on. Duke has a lot of student clubs. Literally anything you like, be it astronomy, dance, pets, quantum physics, anything you like, there's a club here. Whatever you like, whatever you want to pursue, there's a community here. There's all sorts of clubs, and I actually had a hard time choosing which club I wanted to join. There was a filmmaking club, there was an astronomy club, literally anything and everything you could think of, and I'm really looking forward to that. I signed up for a few clubs. अब let's see what kind of club would I join eventually, because I've seen that generally ज़्यादा master students नहीं आते हैं यहाँ पे. Generally undergrads are here because graduate students have a little heavy coursework, but I would definitely be joining some or the other club. So yeah, अभी मैं यहाँ पे आया था. I spent around one and a half hour checking out all the clubs, and I'm going back to West Campus. So I'm back on the West Campus. There's a bus named C1 which takes you from West to East Campus. All the master students generally are on the West Campus, and the undergrads are on the East Campus. I still remember the first day I came. I was not able to use the Google Maps. I was not able to find any kind of location because everything had its own lingo. I literally had to ask everyone around where stuff is, but I'm slowly getting the hang of it. अभी धीरे धीरे पता चल रहा है किधर क्या हो रहा है. And literally everywhere after like 6 o'clock, some or the other event is happening, and especially on weekends there are a lot of interesting events happening. I just am in love with the architecture of the overall campus. It's huge. You just can't imagine how huge it is. मैंने जैसे पहले बताया, एक दिन में it's not even possible to cover the entire campus. It's huge, it's green, and everyone has some or the other work. Everyone is busy in their graduate life or undergraduate life, and the class which I had today was amazing as well. There are a lot of differences which are prevalent in our education system versus the US education system. I would like to talk that in a separate video, and I would like to collaborate with some folks from this university where we can paint an actual picture of how the education system here is different. But because I'm new right now, I'm exploring things. I thought I'll not include that in this video. So there are these places on campus where you're on campus, and when you're going from one location to another, you suddenly are inside a forest. Like अभी जैसे ये route है मेरा, it's a forest. It's a complete forest, and I have to go from here. So pretty interesting, right? There are numerous trails in Duke which I plan to cover soon. I love trekking, and see, that's the thing here. When I started this channel, I named it Read Travel Become, right? A lot of you guys have asked me why not travel videos, why only reading videos. So there's going to be a mix of videos now. I would try to cover as much travel as possible. I would try to cover travel as well now. Reading though definitely is going to be there, and I also got some books from library. I'm gonna make a video. I'll show you guys what all books I have bought. I actually am not finding any time to read here. I'm in a reading slump, big time reading slump, because a huge change has happened in every little aspect of my life. There is a change, so I'm actually putting my reading on hold for a week or so, but I'll be getting back to it pretty soon. Yeah, so it's been like 4-5 days I've been here, and घर से तो मैंने सारा सामान लाया है. I've bought the basic cooking things because as a master student I'm living off campus and we have to cook things on our own. यहाँ पे there's no mess system, there are canteens but they are pretty expensive, so generally master students prefer to cook on their own. But since the time I've come here, there are so many events happening everywhere, and I get free food like everywhere. बहुत चलना पड़ता है यहाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा थकान होती है स्टार्टिंग में. When I was here, I was navigationally challenged because everything was new. So it's gonna take some time for me to adjust to things, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable here because people are really helpful. Everyone is very sweet on campus. Even if you're passing by someone of whatever religion or race he or she is, they will greet you, and it's a sweet feeling, it's a cordial feeling that you have of being in a community. This right here is the Broadhead Center. People come here to eat. There are a lot of canteens. There are a lot of food options here. You get Korean food, you get Indian food, Italian, Mexican, all kinds of foods here. It's a very happening place. When I came first to the campus, we master students were given a $10 dining card where we could choose anything we wanted to eat under $10. So I actually had Indian food. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे आया, because I was missing घर का खाना. Everyone was having Mexican, Italian food, and I don't know why I had Indian food here. It tasted really good actually. And this behind me is the iconic Duke Chapel. You might have seen this everywhere on all the websites and Google, and everywhere. This chapel basically represents Duke, and trust me, it feels so good to be here, to be in this particular area. इतना बड़ा area, इतना फैला हुआ area है, and I don't know, there's a different vibe in a big university like this. The architecture here is gothic, and everything has an old school vibe to it. People are super friendly, and you actually feel you're part of something big. and it just feels great to be in this particular area near the chapel. Let's go inside the chapel. I'll show you जितना मैं दिखा सकता हूँ, and trust me, it's like the most quiet place on earth inside the chapel. It's so quiet, it's so pristine, एक अलग ही vibe है अंदर. I'll just show you. They're practicing a choir there. It's beautiful. You can't not come here and think of Harry Potter. Exactly वैसे ही vibe है. It's a castle-like thing. I don't know what the architecture is called, but the vibe here is beautiful. I'm literally transported into a different world when I'm inside the chapel. So I'm near the Pratt Institute of Engineering. All the engineering programs happen here on the West Campus, on this side. मैं जहाँ रहता हूँ वहाँ से I can take a bus or even I can take a walk. It takes around 12 to 15 minutes for me to come to campus.
When the lounge is open, so this is one of the rooms you. Oh, this is the first floor.
Hi, so this is actually a Graduate Catholic Association house, and we have been invited here for a small event. It's a small party kind of a thing. This house is very, very beautiful. They welcomed us into the house, they showed us around, they gave us food, and we were playing a lot of interesting games here. This is the place. You can actually come here, hang out, meet with these people, and have a great time here. There's a music room down there. There's food on the first floor, and lots of games here. You can even play the PlayStation here. This is the place. They also have a lot of books here. You can just come here, sit here, have some coffee, and read books also. So like I had mentioned, there's an event happening at the terrace. It's an LGBTQ event. I got this badge, Read Travel Become, and it's not exactly food here. There are snacks here, and I'm getting to meet a lot of new diversified set of people. So yeah, it's a great event. I'll be having my dinner here today. We literally have people here from all over the world. You name the continent and you would find someone here from that continent. The cultural mix of diversity is amazing here. And बहुत अच्छा चीज़ें पता चलती है लोगों के बारे में, that how human beings are different culturally and how their thinking process is different. I talked to some folks here. I got a new perspective into how people live, how culturally diverse people are. Hey guys, so I'm done with the day. It was a pretty long day. It was a pretty exciting day. हो गया है सब कुछ अभी. I'm back on campus. I now have to figure out a way to go home. There are buses, there are night buses, but they operate only till a limited time. Now I'll have to find if there's a van service to go back. That's all for this video, guys. I would be making a lot of interesting videos again. I know I have so much to cover, but I could not cover everything in this video. So lots of interesting things are going to come up. If you like my content, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really motivates me a lot. Lots of interesting content is lined up, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched the video till here for any reason, thank you so much. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.